Hi students, how are you? I hope you are well. Last class we discussed about rocks and soils. Rocks and soils. In this lesson we discuss about petrology. What is petrology? It is a branch of geology. We deals with the study of rocks. There are four realms of the earth, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The outermost layer of the earth is called crust. It is made up of lithosphere. So, the lithosphere is called the sphere of rock. Then, classification of rocks. Rocks are classified into three types. One is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks, it is also called as primary rocks or parent rocks. The word igneous derived from the Latin word ignis means fire. Then characteristics of igneous rocks, they are hard in nature, impermeable, do not contain fossils, they are associated with volcanic activities and is useful for construction works. Then types of igneous rocks. There are two types. One is extrusive igneous rocks and another one is intrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks. These rocks are formed on the surface of the earth. These rocks are formed on the surface of the earth. Example, basalt found in northwestern part of peninsula. Intrusive igneous rock, they are found on the underground surface of the earth. There are two types. One is plutonic rocks and another one is hypabyzal rock. Example of plutonic rock is granite, diorite, gabbro. Example of hypabyzal rock is dolerite. Today we are going to discuss about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. The word sedimentary has been derived from Latin word sedimentum, which means settling down. These rocks formed by the sediments and deposited by various agents. Sedimentary rock consists of many layers. So these rocks are also called as stratified rocks. The natural resources are coal, oil and natural gas. Example of sedimentary rocks: chalk, talc, dolomite. Characteristics of sedimentary rocks. They have many layers. They are non-crystalline rocks. Crystalline means glassy. They are not glassy in nature. They contain fossil. They are soft and get eroded easily. Types of sedimentary rocks. There are three types of sedimentary rocks: organic, mechanical, chemical. Organic, they are natural material. These rocks are made up of natural materials. These rocks are formed as a result of decomposition of dead plants and animals. Example, chalk, talc, dolomite and limestone. Next one, mechanical sedimentary rocks. The word mechanical, it is connected with machines. These rocks are formed due to the disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Example, sandstone, shale and clay are example of mechanical sedimentary rocks. Third one, chemical. Changes due to the structure of substance. Chemical means they are adding some changes in the structure of rocks. These rocks are formed by precipitating of minerals from water. It is formed usually through evaporation of chemical rich solution. Example, gypsum. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, the word metamorphic, meta means change, morpho means shape. The combination of igneous and sedimentary rocks form the metamorphic rocks. This metamorphic rocks classified into two types. One is thermal metamorphism and another one is dynamic metamorphism. If the change in the rocks is mainly caused by high temperature, then the process is called thermal metamorphism. Temperature, thermal mechanism. High pressure then it is called dynamic metamorphism. If the changes in the rock is mainly caused by high pressure, then the rock is called dynamic metamorphism. Example, see, granite is converted into gneiss by dynamic metamorphism. Basalt rock is converted into slate by thermal metamorphism. Sandstone, they are converted into quartz by thermal metamorphism. Shale is converted into slate due to the thermal metamorphism. The formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks, formation of metamorphic rocks from sedimentary rocks. These metamorphic rocks formed by the combination of sedimentary and igneous rocks. One of the world wonders, Taj Mahal in India, was built with white marbles, a metamorphic rock. Next one, rock cycle. What is rock cycle? The igneous rocks is converted into sedimentary rocks. This sedimentary rocks is converted into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks again converted into igneous rocks. This is a one life cycle, rock cycle. So it is called the rock cycle. Thank you. Now take a book and material to split the words.